big run.
You guys are going to have to forgive my first attempt here at video taking. It's going to be real shaky. Yeah, just don't get impatient, man.
Oh. All right, you ready? Well, let's see what we got.
It's the question is the fishy ready?
That's true.
Ah, there he is.
Well,
let him go. Let him go.
there.
Yeah. Damn. Damn.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he'll tire out.
Yeah, that's not helping there. That works here either.
I think he's going to get slapped in the face here.
See if I can walk upstream a little bit.
Yeah. Whoa, dude. You're gentle, man.
Yeah.
We have it. You're not.
I'm leaving a lot of play in the rod, believe me, even though it's like I'm really moving here. See him? See my jig? Alright. Got him?
Let him go.
He's still right there next to you. Step back up.
Yeah, he's going to wrap around your leg.
Yep, hatchery. Sweet, dude. I can't go out first. Alright, hold on. I'm going to bring him upstream so you keep walking up. Keep that net in the water. He's right in front of you there. Here he comes. Here he comes right to you. You got him? No? I can't see him.
Yeah.
Could be a late summer.
Yeah, I see you got your pull straight out ahead of you. Tony, you got to leave your pull at an angle, otherwise he's going to run and break it.
Never got you. Yeah, I know. We're making our way up. All right, you ready? Quick. He's right there.
You guys.
I can't see you.
Yeah, just take him up to where you got good bank. Slow down. You're scaring me, man.
He's not fighting yet. Looks good. He's tired. I guarantee he's getting tired.
Yeah, he's got to be. If he's not a hatchery, then...
He is a hatchery.
That's what I mean, then it would be bad, but since he's a hatchery, it's fine. If he gets really tired, I'm going to kill him anyway.
Yeah. Oh, no, right out in front of me. Oh, really? Yeah.
You make me nervous, you're dragging him like that. Ah.
I'm not putting down much pressure, he's coming with me. He's not going anywhere. I practiced step on him before.
There we go.
I think I can get him myself here.
Yeah, I think this is a better spot to try to land him.
Hold on, Anthony, don't get right in front of he runs at you. I don't want to wrap my line around you.
I see a line blocker.
You ready? You got him?
Nice fish.
That is an excellent fish. Out of the water with him.
I like my net.
I'll get the net.
Whoa, that's a big fish.
Somebody got a knife? I didn't grab time to grab my pliers.
I got clippers.